my dear children. So today also we will continue our chapter number 6, that is fractions. And as we have discussed in our last class, the types of fraction and the equivalent fractions, how to find. So today we are going to discuss about the conversion, how to convert a improper fraction into a mixed fraction and into a mixed fraction to a improper fraction. Okay, so let's see. So students, as we have done this question number 1, you can see that question number 1 and 4 we have done. So today we'll see that question number 2 and 3. Before doing this, we'll see the rules of conversion. So students, you can see here, to convert an improper fraction into a mixed number, rule is that divide the numerator by the denominator. The quotient obtained is the whole number part and the remainder is the numerator of the fractional part of the mixed numerator. Okay, so suppose I have taken here 23 by 9. So how we can write this? How we can write it, students? Here with what you have to do, the division work you can show here also, but I have shown in the working column. Okay, see that 23 we have to divide it by that, as in the C you can say divide the numerator by the denominator. So in this case numerator is 23, so 23 we will divide it by 9. So 9 2 ja 18, then it will 1 we have to do, so 13 minus 8 it will be 5. So 5 is the remainder and 2 is the quotient. So as here according to the rule what it said, the whole number part quotient is the whole numbers part. So what will be this quotient? 2 will be written as a whole number part and the remainder we have to write in the up. So numerator will be the remainder. So remainder, in this case remainder is 5, so it will be that numerator. So 5 by 9, so 2 plus 5 by 9 we can write is 2 5 by 9. Okay, so this way we have to convert. I hope this is clear to you now. Now let's move to the question number 2. Convert each of the following fraction into a mixed fraction. So it's given that question number A, 25 by 2. So how we can write is 25 by 2. If we divide, I have shown the division work here, students. See 25. So 2 1 is 2. If after subtracting, then 5 we have rows. So after bringing 5, 2 2 is 4. So 5 minus 4 is 1. So 1 is the remainder and 12 is the quotient. So as just we have learned how we have to write, see the whole part will be that 12, it will be the 12, quotient will be the whole part and this remainder will be the numerator. So numerator I have written here, this 1, and this denominator will be same, so 2. Okay, so 12, this means 12 1 by 2. This is the conversion. Okay, so now let's move to the B number is 11 by 3. So how we can do it? See 3 3 ja 9, so 9 after subtraction 11 minus 9 is 2. So how will we write here? This 3 is the quotient and its remainder. So quotient will be the whole part, so 3 will write here and this 2 remainder will be in up as it will be numerator and this 3 will be same, so 3 then 2. Okay, so this is this way we have to arrange. Okay, now let's see this 36 by 5 is how we will show it. If you can show this division work here also, see 5, as you know 5 7 ja what, students? 5 7 ja 35. So 35 means after subtracting we have got here 6 minus 5 it's 1. So how we can write it now, as it's Q and it's the R. So 5 denominator will be same as this 5. So now this 1 remainder will numerator, remainder will be the numerator, so 1 will write here and this quotient will be the whole number. So it's the process. Okay, now it's a combination of whole number and proper fraction. 1 by 5 is a proper fraction. So I hope this is clear to you now. Same way if we do this D number also 128, we can do it. See the division work here, the division work you can see here. So 7 1 then after subtracting 5 then 8, so 7 8 56, so 8 it's 2, remainder is 2, so 18 will be the quotient and 2 by 7. So this is the process. And same way if you'll see this one also, that 42, then if we'll divide it by 5, so 5 8 40. So now 2. So what you will write is 5, it will be same, and 2 will be the remainder, will be in half numerator, and this 8 will be the whole number, so 8 will be here. This way we have to arrange. I hope this is clear to you now how to convert. Now we'll see the next. So to convert a mixed number into an improper fraction, now we will see. Suppose I have written here one example, 2 3 by 8. How we can do it? 2 3 by 8, how we can convert? It's as it's a mixed fraction, we have to convert into that. It's a mixed fraction, we have to convert into improper fraction. So that is a two way we can solve. First one I am showing you, that is this we can write like this, 2 plus 3 by 8. Is it, students? Yes, we can write like this, and this means 2 is nothing is there in after 2, then we can write means it's the denominator is 1, so we can write like this, 2 by 1 and 3 by 8. So now we have to take the LCM of 1 and 8. So 1 and 8 LCM will be what? LCM will be 8. LCM of 1 and 8, it will be 8. Okay, as there is no common factor and this is both are the 1 and 8. If you see, 1 is the only factor itself, so it is the, and you can see 1 and 8, if the LCM will be 1 and it will be 8. Now 2 by 1 3 by 8. See here, 2 it's as no one there, so we have to multiply it by 8, and then 3 into 1. So if you do 2 into 8 is 16, then plus actually it will be 16 if you convert. So we can do 16 plus 3, then 8, so 19 by 8. This way we can solve, but here if you want, you can convert. See students, actually this line I have shown directly here. So this is the way 2 into 8 you can write, then 1 into 8, then 3 by 8. It is the same as is the highest 8, so same way. And one more way, that is quicker way, you can see, that is quicker way. It's the, as if you are finding difficult to find the LCM, then you will solve, so you can do this way. Okay, so how we'll do, students? See, 8 3, how we can solve this? 2 into 8 plus 3 divided by 8. That means these two we have to multiply and this one we have to add. Just here it is multiply and it is the addition. So 2 into 8 16 plus 3 divided by 8, so 19 by 8. This is the most easiest way. Okay children, now we'll follow this quicker way. In this question number 3, convert each of the following fraction into improper fraction. How we can solve? Suppose a number 3 by 11. So just these two we have to multiply and this one we have to add. So 3 into 11 is 3 into 11 plus 3 divided by 11. So 33 plus 3 is divided by 11, 36 by 11. Now next move, the B number is 4 2 by 7. We can multiply 7 into 4 plus 2. So 28 plus 2 is divided by 7, 30 by 7. And same way if we do 8 1 by 9, how we can solve that? 8 into 9 plus this way you can solve. Okay, so 8 into 9 plus 1 divided by 9. So 72 plus 1 divided by 9. So 73 by 9. And I think now you have understood how you have to solve. The same way you can do the others also, like 33 into 3, then plus 1 divided by 3. It's then plus 1. If you do so, 900 by 3. Now it's a improper fraction. Okay, so same way this E number can be completed by you. I hope this is clear to you now. Thank you.